Hi children, how are you? Are you all fine? Yes, I hope you all are fine and well. Okay, so let's come on our topic, subject maths, chapter number 3, playing with numbers. You know that in our last period I taught you about chapter number 3, playing with numbers. I taught you factors, multiples of a number, factor of a number, and then I also told you about divisibility test, some rules of division I taught in our last period that we can get very easily, we can have idea that a number is exactly divisible by that number or not. That and factors, multiples, prime factors, then prime numbers, composite numbers. These all things I taught in our last period. In this period, we'll do chapter number 3, playing with numbers, and we'll find how to get common factors. In our last period, I taught you to get factors and multiple of number, and now in this period, I am going to teach you about common factors and common multiples of a given numbers. So let's see chapter number 3, find the common factors. We have given two numbers, number 16 and number 20, and we need to find common factors of both these numbers. So how to find common factors of these numbers, that we'll see. So here we have two numbers, 60 and 20, and you know well that factor of a number, 1 is the factor of all numbers. 1 is the factor of all numbers, and a number itself is a factor of that number. In short, 1 is the factor of all numbers, and the number itself is a factor of that number. Suppose I am taking 90, then 90 factor is that 1 is compulsory the factor of 90, because 19 ones are 19, and 90 is a factor of 90 number. So number itself and 1 is the factor of all numbers. So now let's see here that two digits are given, that factor how to find. So we have two numbers, 16 and 20. So first we need to find the factors of 16. 16 factor we'll see here. Here you can see 16 multiply 1. So 16 ones are 16. So 16 and 1 is the factor. So number itself and 1 is the factor of that number. Then 8 twos are 16 will find 8 twos are. So 8 twos are 16 written. Then in 4 table will get 16, so 4 for the 16. So we got factors 1, 2, 4, 4, 8, 16. These are the factors of 16. That 16 with the 16, 8 to the 16 happening, 4 for the 16 happening. In another table not get. Now we'll find the factor of 20. Same way. 20 ones are 20. So 20 the number itself and 1 is a factor of that number. As I told you, the number itself and 1 is the factor of all numbers. So here you can see 20 ones are 20. 10 twos are also 20 happening. So 10 and 2. 10 twos are 20. 10 multiplied 2 written. 5 4 the 20. 5 4 the also happen 20. So the 20 factors are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Factors of 20 are here given. Now we have two different numbers factors, and the factors are written. You can see 16 factors are here and 20 factors are here, and we need to find out common factors from these all factors. So we'll see here 16 factor 1 is there, and in 20 factor also 1 is there. So this one will be common. This one will be common. Now here you can see another big number. You can see common in both. In both, which number is common given? Then you can see number 2. Number 2 is common. Number 2 is common in both. We'll circle on 1 also, because 1 is common. Factor 1 is given common in both. Factor 2 also given common. And another which number is common in both? Which factor is given common? So factor 4. So 4 is also given common in both. So both digits, the common factors are 1, 2 and 4. 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors of a number. Next, common multiples. First we find common factors. Now we are going to find common multiples of a number. We have two numbers 6 and 9. So we need to find common multiples of 6 and 9. So before we find common multiple, we need to find multiples of 6 and 9. And for your knowledge, I am saying multiples means a table. How that number is multiplying in order, the table is there, that is called multiple. So you can see we have two numbers 6 and 9. So we need to find multiple of first 6, then we'll find multiple of 9, then we will find common multiples. So let's find the multiple of 6. So 6 is given. So 6 table is written here, that all are called multiples of 6. See, 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12, 6 3 the 18, 6 4 the 24, 6 5 the 30, 6 6 the 36, 6 7 the 42, 6 8 the 48, 6 9 the 54, and 6 10 the 60. So this is 6 table. All 6 table is written here. So that numbers we got, that all are called multiples of 6. Then we'll find multiples of 9. So same way we'll write multiples of 9. So 9 table definitely will write. So let's see here. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 56, 54, 9 7 is 63, and that much only we have written, because we need to find just 3 common multiple of that. That 9 table is written here, indicated 9 is 9, 9 is 18, 9 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54, and 9 7 is 63. Now we have both the numbers multiples. Here the multiples are 6, and here are given multiples of 9. So from that we will find common multiples, means the multiples which are given in both the digit, in both the set that given that multiple, we'll find out. So let's see here. You can see the multiple 18 is given here, same multiple given here. So we'll circle 18. 18 is the common multiple in both. And next is given, next which number is common, that is 36. You can see 36 number is common in both. So we'll do circle on 36. So, and one more number is given common, that is 54. Here also given 54. So we have common multiples. Three common multiples are there, that are 18, 36 and 54. 18, 36 and 54 are our common multiples. First three common multiples. Multiples we can go forward also in 6 table, 6 11 6 12 till endless we can go and we can get many multiples, but we need just first three common multiples. So we got first three common multiple 18, 36 and 36, 54 and 54. These are the common multiples. So this way we can get common multiples of given numbers. Now I hope you understand how to find common factors and common multiples. Now we have different thing. We have given number and we need to find prime factors of a given number. A big number is given and we need to find prime factors, not common, just we need to find prime factors of a given numbers. We have number 1500, 1500. That factors we need to find. So here is there. This is the method to find prime factors. By this method, you will find very easily prime factors of a given number. Here, the number is given and we need to find that prime factors. So this number is written 1500. First we'll divide with the 2, we'll try with 2 and it is exactly divisible by 2. So it came 750. If 1500 we will divide with 2, then we will have 750. Again, this number is divisible by 2 because last 0 is there. Again we will divide, then we will get 375 number. Because that 750 number will divide with 2, then we have number 375. 375 we can't divide with 2, so we'll go forward with 3. So 375 divided by 3, then we have number 125. We got number 125. Now 125 number we can't divide with 3, so we'll go forward, we'll take 5. So 125 divided by 5, then we got 25, and 25 is divided by this 5, then 5, and 5 divided by 5, so 5 ones are 5. In short, we get 1 at last. So here you can see 1500 divided by 2, 750, 750 divided by 2, 375, 375 divided by 3, 125, 125 divided by 5, then 25. 25 divided by 5, then 5, and 5 divided by 5, then 1. So these all are there. These are called prime factors of 1500. So see, the prime factors are written here: 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. Here prime factors of 1500 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 5. So these all are prime factors here written. So this is the method to get prime factors of a given number. So this 1500 factor we got here very easily. Now we are told that we need to take the largest 3-digit number. The largest 3-digit number is 999. We have taken here this number we need to find out prime factors of 999. So last digit is 9, so it can't divide with 2, so we are dividing it with 3. So when we divide 999 with 3, we'll get 333. 333 is there, that exactly divisible by 3. So we divide and we'll get 111. Now 111 is also divided by 3 and we get 37. But 37 is we can't divide with any number, so 37 ones are 37. So the prime factors of 999, the greatest 3-digit is these all factors are 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 37. 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 37. Here you can see 3 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 37. So this way we can get prime factors of a given number. Now we learn to find HCF of a given number. The HCF of given number, how to find that we will see. If two numbers are given to us and that number's HCF we need to find, then how to find that we will see. The HCF of 60 and 72. We have given two numbers. We need to find HCF of 60 and 72. So first of all, we need to find prime factors of 60 and 72. That already here given prime factor. Use prime factorization method. Use prime factor method to find out the HCF of a given number. So the HCF of given numbers we'll find here. The numbers are 60 and 72. So 60 and 72 HCF. How will we find that? See here. So first of all, we need to find prime factors of both the numbers 60 and 72. So here 60 prime factors we got. 60 is divided by 2 and we got 30. 30 is divided by 2 then we got 15. 15 is divided by 3 then we got 5. And 5 is divided by 5 only, so 1. So by this way, the factors, prime factors of 60, PF, I have written PF for prime factors. So prime factors of 60 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. I have written here. So we got prime factors of 60. Same way, we'll find prime factors of 72. So 72 number we divide with 2, then we'll get 36. 36 we will divide by 2, then we will have 18 number. 18 we will divide by 2, then we have 9 number, and 9 will not divide with 2. So we use 3 here. 3 3s are 9. So we get 3 and 3 1s are 3. So here we got factors of 72. So here prime factor of 60 I have written 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. The factors are here, and 72 factors I have written here. The factors of 72 are 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3. Now we need to find common factors. CF. CF means common factors. So which factors are common? These two are common. These two are common in both. And here this 3 is there and this 3 is there. That are common factors in the both prime factors. So we'll write common factors. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. Then 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. So HCF of given number is 12. This way we need to find, means we will find HCF of number. So this method use and find the HCF of 60 and 72. So very easily you get the HCF of 60 and 72. Just we need to find out prime factors of both the numbers and we'll write prime factor here, and from that prime factor we'll find out common factors, and the multiplication of common factor is HCF. So HCF is given 12. So I hope you understand. So this way we can find HCF of given number. Now LCM of a number. How to find LCM, lowest common multiple of number, and HCF is highest common factor. We'll find now LCM of number. We have given two numbers, number 30 and 60. Number 30 and 60 are given, and we need to find LCM of both the numbers. So same method, prime factorization method we will use here. We'll use prime factor method and we'll find LCM, lowest common multiple of number. So let's find LCM of 30 and 60 by prime factorization method that we apply here. So first of all, you all know that we need to find prime factors of given numbers. So that prime factors are here. We'll write 30. 30 is divided by 2. We'll get 15. 15 is not divided by 2. So we use 3 here. 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5, because 5 is divided by 5. So here we got prime factors of 30. 2, 3 and 5 are the prime factors of 30. Here, this side, we find prime factors of 60. So, prime factors of 60 are given here. So we divide first with 2. 13 2s are 60. 2, the 30 is divided by 2, so we got number 15. 15 is divided by 3 because it can't divide with 2, so we can't continue with 2. We have to use 3 here. 3 5s are 15 and 5 is divided by 5 only, so same. So these are the factors of 16, 2, 2, 3 and 5. So I have written here PF means prime factors of 30 and 60. So first prime factors of 30 are written here. 2 multiply 3 multiply 5, and the prime factors of 60 are written here. 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. The prime factors of 30 and 60 are ready now. So first of all, we need to find out common factor. You have to remember LCM is the multiplication of common prime factors and uncommon factors. Common factors and uncommon factors multiplication will do, then we will have LCM of given numbers. So let's find first common factors factors of number. 30 factors I have written here. 2 multiply 3 multiply 5, and 60 factors are 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. So from these both set, we need to find first common factors. So common factors are there. Here this 2 is here, then here also 2 is there. So this 2 is common in both. Other which number is common? This 3 is common. 3 is common in both. And last, the number 5 is also common in both. So we have common factors 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. These are the common factors, and just this 2 is left here, so that 2 is called uncommon factor because it is not common. These another factors are there that all are in pair, means we can say that these all are common factors, and the 2 is left, that is called uncommon factors. So that 2 is called uncommon factor, we need to write in bracket. Now we will have this multiplication of this 2 multiply 3, 2 3 are 6, 6 5 are 30. So we will write 30 here. 30 multiply this uncommon factor. Common factor multiplication is 30, and uncommon factor also will multiply with that common factors. So 30 2s are 16. So LCM is 60. 30 multiply 2, then we will get answer 60. So our LCM is 60. So in short, we can say that the LCM is the multiplication of common and uncommon factors. So here you can easily say that, see here, the common factors 2, so 2 is written, 3 and 3 written, 5 then 5 written. And this 2 is given in bracket because it is uncommon factors. So this 30 is the multiplication of common factors, and this 2 uncommon left. So 30 multiplied 2 60. 60 is the LCM. So the LCM of number 30 and 60 is 60. So by this method we will find the LCM of numbers, and HCF is the multiplication of just common factors, and LCM is the multiplication of common and uncommon both the factors. So here I hope you understand well this, and I hope you understand these common factors, common multiples, prime factors, HCF and LCM, and use this method, and there are many sums in your textbook that you need to solve, and this will helpful to you solve your other sums, and I hope you understand it well. Thank you children. Bye.